everyone, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making the best watermelon feta salad. This recipe is so simple to make. You can have it together in just about 10 minutes, and it's perfect for the summer. You're using fresh watermelon, blueberries, basil, cucumber, and feta. That's it. Let's get started. So to start our salad, I have some watermelon. You can cut a fresh watermelon, but why? Why would you do that? It's such a hassle, so I like to use the pre-cut watermelon at my grocery store. Makes it super simple to throw this salad together. I have some fresh blueberries, and then we're just gonna chop up an English cucumber. So an English cucumber is the type of cucumber that comes in the plastic wrapper. The regular cucumbers have like a waxy coating, so you would have to peel them. If that's the type of cucumber you have, you want to peel that cucumber first. This one also has less seeds in it, so you don't even need to scoop out the seeds. Makes it super easy to digest, perfect for the salad, and then you have that beautiful green on the outside. So you kind of have like a patriotic thing going on with the red, white, and blue. The feta I like to use is usually packed in brine. I took mine out just to make it less messy. But you wouldn't use like the cubed feta like this so that you can cut it up into chunks. And then I have fresh basil from the garden, not from the garden, it's from my grocery store, but we can pretend. So I'm just going to cut up my watermelon, not in the bowl, but on the cutting board. And you want to cut it into little cubes. So that's why if you buy it like this at the grocery store, it just works out so well. See, I'd already be wrestling a giant watermelon right now, and I'm just not into that. So just pop those in the bowl. So we're just gonna pour all the blueberries into the bowl. Maybe, yeah, all of them. And then we're gonna cut up our feta. So you want to cut up the feta kind of similar to how we just cut the watermelon, but maybe a little smaller. And it's okay if it crumbles a little bit. It'll just kind of blend into that salad. And if you're making this salad in advance, it's fantastic for a party to make it in advance, but I would just make the dressing right before you serve it and pour it over top right before serving. It tastes great without the dressing. You don't even need it, but I like to add it because it gives it a little bit of a vinegar hit with the sweetness of the berries and the blueberries. It's kind of fantastic. And some people think that watermelon and feta is like a weird combination, but it's actually like a miracle from the heavens. The saltiness of the cheese with the watermelon is just fantastic. So we're running into an issue here. I'm running out of room in my bowl. It happens all the time. We're just gonna go with it here. And we'll add our cucumber, and we'll have to toss it carefully so we don't overflow. And now I'm just gonna take my basil. So you just wanna pluck off a few leaves from your basil. I like to take the big ones. It just makes it easier to chop it up. So to chop up your basil, I'm gonna do a little bit, make like basil ribbons. I think it's a chiffonade or julienne, whatever. Thin little ribbons of your basil. So I just roll it up and fold it together like that, and then just run your knife through it. And then you have nice little basil ribbons. So we're just gonna toss that in the bowl. Now I'm gonna make the dressing, and the dressing is actually really, really, really simple. So it's just a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of apple cider vinegar. I like using apple cider vinegar in pretty much everything. It's a little sweeter than just like white distilled vinegar, but it's not as pungent and syrupy as like a balsamic vinegar. It's a little lighter. And then some honey. Then a little bit of salt and pepper. And whisk it together. And now we're gonna pour it all over the salad and then toss it. So now I get to dig in. This is seriously like my favorite salad ever. It is so good, so refreshing. This is fantastic on like one of those oppressively hot summer days. The blueberries and cucumbers and watermelon are just like bursting with refreshing flavor. There's no other way to put it. And the feta just makes it taste like so much sweeter. That saltiness from the feta makes the fruit taste even sweeter. You have got to try this salad. It is amazing. If you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For more easy recipes, visit the SuburbanSoapbox.com. Thanks again.